Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi aya ye bia program dada aya ye go na obetimi kwa kutini na news bebre aya trot tu na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohuni bo se multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite uti no wa click so iti fancy opposite uti Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Adom FM 106.3 top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi aya ye bia program dada aya ye go na obetimi kwa kutini na news bebre aya trot tu na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni. Bo se multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite uti no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite uti Adom FM. O click so pe. The obeti ani
Adom FM 106.3 top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi aya ye bia program dada aya ye go na obetimi kwa kutini na news bebre aya trot tu na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni. Bo se multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite uti no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite uti Adom FM. O click so pe. The obeti ani
Adom FM 106.3 top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so.
Aya DC Gomoa East. Ya ne nchiche nkomo. Ona bo wote men ka som dwenka.
Anka woto.
Bibia bokwa na pay.
Ya men tu here.
Great. Anti amoti Gomoa East amuni mbabi e wodo. Mbacho cheche wo hiem Gomoa East way.
Inu amada ti de na men fe we trade chia. Omanfo ina nkankan wo na mo ko so ha den fa ho ha. Aya bifo na ko for anko.
Adom FM.
Aya Guma tempe omahen. Nana parufa che otodenu Guma tempe omanka. Ena mpenzi fa waka aya nanu concert na we nyache no nyam. Na the way it's kaswa everybody. Oh baby oh you must it try you must ara esan na chede eya Guma East. See if it you must go play. Oye awutu breku. Ibi awutu breku a ehode onkan ye ho ye nti butatra going say you jump breku. Mbo betra breku ara the next town you say Guma East oye Akweti Junction. Fiti Akweti fa no ma ibo du apostle ko Josafo ne place bo oye mpota hol ya wokro ha wo fa na mampon ya no pim ante fiti mampon abetu ko Yomat on the highway koni na no breku fima nkani na Guma East na fe edwenya adana afa tuba kwa no hono nya no kakaba Millennium City honi na Guma East ya no pin dampa fe nkan fo fe na langma ho nga yin kokobite fu ya boche wo gasa ya yin woni sia wo ho na da bas chete Ojobi Kukrum. Them honey na Oyagomai district. Madasi.
Mabacho Master Madasi, Yaba Gomwa Easter, Langa the Sem, Yipakum Nazi, Mabacho Biwa.
Madasi, Kama, radio for Motamo Bohu. Major Kushiba and Makade, Bibi Demno, on CC Hop, and Opera. Means we show the police who super warrior Kaswan and Buram. We are sure the one at the mountain. We say, I am this is it. Went to me, Yantada in CC. Nambum, security phone, dissect, I don't know, one double, them and there, maybe out of grab another family. Good for that today. One down, one Jumado. And say, call you, ya, in fact, a wabano. Na, it's ya. Bakade,
Jim FM.
Na, Taswara, Ebian Padan, Mokonkana, if I Uber, Nanika Kahibia. A tea driver for workers. Some of them for culture, Obi for what required was one of my home. I know one for back. Look at your onto them. Yambum Kakao about a memory on my honorable painting picture there. I better the question you a Kaswa and Abu Burma. A quadra, a da, adherent to no be able to cocoa onto them. Into Kakamaka.
But at least a big quadro.
Oh, why not?
And say, Becca Bushumbia, Bayahe cases are here out.
The statistics police from Obotum was Sunday. And that's movie obey me. This is now the one kind come. May he behind there. Regional Police Command, name Kadofo. Well, what will we obey the marine? It's a view on now, but you know, maybe I will bring them facts, but I'm sure on in their books, about to one my hand, them statistics. But authenticity, I didn't. Nah, Yandado.
Right, honorable Mati, I was for Facebook now for share videos are the atoho and no common partner ye baba triche share grading air costs expansion was a deal. Honorable, me caterpillar bin a juma warrior. What's you go before what you go when you na apam when you na do one fi kwano.
Munia yari a juma ma a good funeral. A good funeral was so okay came there.
Jim FM.
A Kaswa Budubum ornament. Okay, Fandama and Dama all there. Arabuto Camacho. Or you bear 20 Ghana, nor you bear 50. No reason there. Oh, Budubum is a traffic. No Cremia, remember. No, or the Narashi. No, or the one. Oma. One natural from war. Oh, yeah, very first. Now, pay. Oh, yeah, other businesses are haulage info companies are. Wasn't them what if I can do 2 hours? Now, okay, 24 hours. Oh, yeah, Dr. Jesus, best thing, look to Big Apple. It's a Zaya, no, yeah, I mean, Nembum, I had another. Obino Kakabaka. Kakabaka only with the fear working. Wara obedi that say this one of the culture. Ya ye one meeting. Ye church ada ebe na ma oba ide. In one na wo service lanes ni mo de. One to na ho bio. O Sunday ye diversions are ye one way. Owa iti kaswa na ruwa oye budugum center ho no. Ready oil filling station be our winning fan. Oh, me a patrolling Zafa. One of passengers na ade bofo car na obesan na we go pray big apple ho na we question wa so ho we yi U10 na wa besana ko aka bi the mara na wona wo fi Liberty Junction wono so aka kam we big apple no so ye kwan ni bi atun fa na trofo no wono wo be passengers we san ho na wono so the ma besana fa petrol so ni the man was going out back Accra. You see, Una Amanti, 1 hour to Nadu or them, Quanum service lanes now, ye to Hono. A queen had a 1 penny when actually Kaka. Yan catch on Yan Pamoga, in which madam service lane on them, no near and say, Yan Pamuko, them are welcome. You say so now when I also up on a baby I am no member or I in not look what you can come
But and say Mary if we are traffic and obey easy then
Madras Anka and then no there if I'm very number share you come out for this now let's do na yara wa fa kwan no do na beta charge yen wie yimpo buduburam ho no mo traffic no akofem kra na inde na ochina peak days oya market days ni entire traffic no also na inde ne yepede ye dey access greater no gudu ori eduma na obi are the traffic situation no is drastically and I am in a pantasman na the first thing is Kogu and what about the solution no one among I think Yari and such that Obiani is more than 5 minutes from Dr. Jesus to Triple X as a letter getting now, so far, and we are close to achieving that.
Anna Mama Bacha want to in Dahin, what's them, Ejumay?
In that was moon to Cassis, highway for now, urban roads for now, with the Nima, why I will put them out man. In fact, contractor was a man, not an or 40 or the great and obey. And Oriye wire feelings, and from what I hear, no, okay, they will be crowd what to wa gravel. Said there was quota the number buying what did we a good man a hold with the road, no. And say the man now both you made the short of Bokonim Kaka, but alongside me, I know. Total na the direction na diversion
Jim FM
into traffic situation would be minimized but new crack or a highway na urban road one of the people and that big yes
Obacho Skyhin was the same.
I me my family facilitate, but it's a highway and urban road project. And say that American NEDA was the contractor or a highway for was that 1 year I can't answer now was man or that man. Also find it big dreams big dreams yes big dreams construction. No now we my warrior the management for the highway the highway authority.
Bamo Pacho
no kauna you said the one obutu wa kan imagine no hiaman the makwano adem ma aja adapa aya go wo traffic no no obokofem ne ho aketia na ade no ministry na highway hono no oda wa bawo.
But before contractor never ban in Chawakasa na biana.
And I'm you facilitated it. Well, the say the quantity for that able to the way them one at assembly at our meeting at Portland recently. We take them decision. Yeah, I changing one minister. Yeah, Nabo Jatin and my good answer. And also, as Bobo with the on a highway, no, Naban with once away, what I didn't see. What become with that? Yeah, the drawing and no stick with them meeting now. But the actual work now is Namakin highway one contractor is what I said. And great that be offended, reload the dinner, offended. The board and I did the but the actual work, highway for now, why into woman.
The Anyana Chichinkomo. Right. And then we say for Honorable Dako Kom Solomon, DC, Gomoa East. And I'll say, and I'll train command is about 21 minutes after 7. What do we feed you to us from Drake? I would say Adom 106.3 FM and check. Naposu, ya de bro.
Our internet so any CCR App Store and Amakui. It will be bought Adom online or when you bought Adom online app no ebi yaba. Now for what download it. When you download the app now, we will be BBI, you program that I good now. Wait till you go.
I'll say hello, Mr. Sempa. Good morning. Thank you very much for your help. You always help us, and it's good to know that you have the country at heart. Okay, Mr. Sempa. We the about say Abujina boy, you see your smoothness level and Kufuado, blah blah. Mr. Sempa. Bismarck Owusu. I say they should be disciplined in the system. Okay, Eric Kwekubwedi. I say from Bichim. I say Ghanaians should all come together and support His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP government to do more for Ghana. May I say, so they buy me patrol so between us and do the Fafa Facebook Adom 106.3. Obri Abua Fenta FM. What's that? Obri Asum Drink out.
Anka also kwasi.
Bibi aboko de.
Onyankopon adom.
Patrol di bi adi fufuo da.
Debi.
Sa. On kasa squad no.
Debi na mehu se broni bi.
Yeah.
Odi bi e. Odi nkatie ene num bi e.
Eh. Oh, and the amprofo ye. Ebi wa cry.
Ehu tinzu papa no bakona. Otu anu so na nkatie no guadiem sa.
Na odi ye. Ebi wa Asum Drink out.
Enka so be mena.
Odi bi adi fufuo da.
Bi e kora minim ni tasty. Ni minim ansa si bi adi eno ane crop. Bi adi eno ane crop ni minim ana no. Say be eno ane krobasa ne aka bia news to me.
And you find the food.
And I mean, himself, if you sit home, yes,
yeah, lovely.
The Vanya and Katia Cran,
really?
Nine.
Now, do you have any assistance on your bonny? I've been no.
Nine, mean, no, don't go on.
Overdo a banner. Obrina, what have any? I did has you on Sanya Bonnie. I feel everyone is a good.
If you had a chance, so had a chance.
That is a
Fufone a question.
I was saying,
no, Fufone, I be quiet. Madame Foodie Kakra.
I'm sorry, I'm going to call my son Brana Fee. Make what you think more. Honorable Judge Mekuduka, a Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources. Yan then to think honorable. What's here and Castle drink I want to pay? Hello, honorable.
Yeah.
Wait, I hope to be Biaboko.
Oh,
Yamene in a Yagusupa. Galam say fight in Yaguso.
Oh, Yamiado. Papa.
And just say I have funny I do.
What is that?
Jim FM.
I'm the member who studio watch us. Na the chia webu go for you one. Na always club na if you try to na always fufuna na chia wojira.
Na bonchawa kaza swepe ana
I am in Panama studio. What's my chairman?
Okay, yeah. Great.
Brother, the mining or ya ada, ya may go back Ghana. Okay, Mama, 1 hour for the year mining. The mine responsibly. Kwana ya DPCI damna yana na fada ka biji zube Ghana eguzini na osen kwansan ya be yerba abutu ana yesu na yesei tuni na mpa ansan nyenpo worry na the kwana ofada ya mind na wo yi ko ndema isa sabi na wono na wo bo ban na ma say na urban then in the ideas na inspire ya yi na ya di green the creek ngama ko oho nti no be here there campaign na do down for Akufo-Addo obotu sa obade zi Alabama Ghana na ono na the ma be ega approach Yewa Samuel Abu Junafo or China and now one of the Obake ma Biara also by a mine and why responsibly now on say Ninja Pazi the forest and Unisulu. Their approach has been different. Now is the way to go. Most the country there also there bipartisan approach. Now you start some of these issues discuss it. Yeah, man, is different. If this year Robert Corner, and I won't be able to be making sure that the shape minority and majority now coming. Maybe the adventure, as a committee on land and forestry, on leadership, as a committee on mines and energy, on leadership, and I won't be able to be with also so another approach is in there 1 year national dialogue maintaining or to suffer a or to suffer stakeholders chamber of much there are a society organization there be a family from Kwana Yafamba Yabama Dam Galaxy Aga or Ghana. Yes, 2 hours. We require back to Cote d'Ivoire. Get to Yafoa. Give the dialogue. Yeah. Kabumpa, by. Na ono na man engine look at that. All hands must be on deck. Na they said there. Yina education on fire after that galaxy. Actually, blue. In Kano, when father had to solve galaxy in there. Yefa soja for and after that for the one if you can. Na ebia waba chapa no consequences. Na obo na Monday. It is there seem to be big. We find the respect one war region. But then on po ebia wanya where.
Right.
Or there we decentralize the modus operandi. One I ever about ma them to
Honorable, and fallout from the national dialogue, and we deploy 200 military men, Moboa. Oh no, as a result of Maobey during the dialogue, Nana.
Actually, dialogue, and if so, Abakaya, 9 years, so you are somewhat like big enough to an amount called Western United, or near a handful, to be the home. Or ye stakeholders now you share galaxy for water park. It is very impressive. While so what show all commitment there. Kwana Fabi mining on ye. Now also Bobwa to one warrior galaxy will shoot with others. And see engaging them now was the one I deliver but they show them commitment. Not sincerity in the minister who lead the course or a very important.
But honorable, this is not the first time I deploy military men. The Wonka Yejuma on the fields.
There. This is the first time you engage your stakeholders in the fight against Galaxy.
But this is not the first time I deploy military men. The Wonka Yejuma.
Military, obviously. One in Libya on your Magana. Or you to do so. Only Asaya or there would them Juman. Obviously, you'll be passed. But at what point, now, over your pass. Now, I said, the Libya, a bra, Ubia, where there, Mammy be uncle to do, Koye, Jumanity. Mammy be a war Ghana ha. Only there. Even small scale mining of foreigners are not allowed per the Minerals and Mining Act. Now, Yama find them. This is the into the man of money you ability to obey. Stakeholders will be mining and clean. They'll be aware. Then the man of money you choose or a day of one. If you just a day, can find out. Was sure now I was saying more than 80 on a river body on River Pratt.
Honorable,
one stream, one stretch.
Honorable, this is not the first time a military for work or field work or show Chamfan excavators nazi. Anna
as I'm made you to them.
Okay, and now what quite so your tin sema obey. And this particular Martina.
Oh, I'm a limb TV.
Auntie B.
Mama, you there, and I'm one of which you know I is very successful. My meaning there.
More in I successful. 200 for we deploy one now. Now 200 where you want Ejuma.
1 week.
And 1 week about internet can I successful.
My why successful baby yes man one day won't corner. Which now come one award them you see them target ubia them area hobby. Into nature there we can replicate same in other jurisdictions. In America there, why?
Part one of the fight, military men would deploy more. What were some of the allegations, Obey?
The actually ma Ozi Kanwa and the Ibinum Kade in your extortion to them. Ibinum Kade, Kwana Wafa, Nanka, building for the work for in the and I no bohia maybe no leak information na nkofono we assess on them what part of us and nature. These are all clues and all guide the operations of the current deployment.
And at least we should be assured that the current troop are walkway yanti issues of distortion and will be leak information or baby more bokonazi.
Asampa make sure body this time around the modus operandi is different. Ma in here if you want there na yagin boko doku ya jatu there adamazi oya kanka bia all Ghana you know the to sa na yeshe yewa Samuel Abudi the apostle in Quran na yetanichi na yi amano stability na yeboa Madam Galamsey ofi okra
ana bobe jatum de one party phone bi wo ye Galamsey ni bia
Jim FM
all political parties onye ameme party ngote na because the Ghana na you intend to be hypocrite on your platform.
Okay, and at least
investigations that you need or chede in full I said Canada so we feel I'm for what wrong with master de biara said no who meaning the union concession and now original to do oil mining and now the original forest oil mining. So you want to oil me or you one of them be on the machine must be bet.
Okay, Honorable. For example, investigations are where yes, I am for whom agitum the party for whom Honorable Mrekuduka Kanwa needing beba. Charity begins at home. Wait to identify one party members away Galamsey.
So far no Muntu fa is going to talk. What you do?
Menka the body, but when you want.
Mammy there. Yakwa, we don't ask the survey. One other concession, the reasoning was in an oil party and Sana, and I'm one of the youth there. The buffet, my use to the eye clean another airport. What the hell? We don't ask that. We are not interested in that. The one other once it's not a registered and licensed concessionaire or the Mbra Pando Yuman. Now, all say to the forest. Is it there or a day? You can
Nti ask Ghana for that this time. Wakwa whether party bar or your one no or your hino once or pretty legally needed or yaza will be season them nothing.
Damn pepe.
Really? Yanti be before for bia.
Say as your corner approach the bipartisan approach will be the Wawa so and a prayer dom dodo things waiting na a dedicated period. Nazama them unity. This the them boy embrace them young Boko. Once you do not be na you na the empire are they are bois. We don't all you the campaign and now down for Kupado. Now continue. The being could be a Magana in a
Anamo Mianda was here for CI. Awesome drinker. Right. I was for Honorable George Mrekuduka, Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources. 39 minutes after 7. Obria boyfriend and frame. Akuya Boacho Yado, Mamuaha. Apostle. Yeah, the bro. And the bro. Ebi Honorable say Oba Bechechium. Be a nefufu.
Also about the shame.
Also about the shame.
And you see, I say,
I can't who team Fifreno. Also, what you say, channel.
Your more year change, never who team Fifre say, is the idea near adding. And for young team Fifre. Or no, all by no team Fifre.
Elder Francis Basie, Italy. I'll say, hey, good morning, Asempa. I'm a reggae lover. I love it. Reggae is music for kings. Ahemfo. Oh, that's a ABY queen. Also play reggae pa.
The Empress.
Reggae pa. Shut down. Tuka kotra baby ti reggae kwa.
Oh, sir.
And as a COVID into your monya you are.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you be your same manufacturer.
Yes, me say.
Unkaba couldn't Bumbo one I can.
Some
Was in there somewhere double quabeto Joe.
aha, Masaday.
Near your bet to me, dear asphalt, or Maymo. One near the asphalt, no. And no. Going penny for say enche.
I'm made
by September this year, no.
I'm baby.
One more be caught into asphalt. Say you benya asphalt. And will make you year to me, dear quine. It's a year of rose, no.
Wow.
Oh, Yamea Domo.
I'm the capine.
And penny for that go and not your more say. One more bad be yet near can say bitumen. So what's in one
sure.
Say ye can't asphalt see a bit to me asphalt near your to me de ye near me to me the dad moon. Was one near Macobia, one moon free Ghana has say, and a eba cambomu. No what to me at Tony Menina. No the sika, you know. War pepe adionumi and san up a bitumen site no. Na wonyanya ria and ye go and penny for any decline. Na Ivory Coast company bako
yeah
you almost your friend on SMB and one wo be kan bom ti sa company no and a beboa won e wo bitumen no ne supply mu
okay
na mpanimfo tumi adada ne mamu a ne abenya asphalt no Ghana has a won say ye ni factory bi etesa
anka bede o
anka bede
e bi wa bede
eti unim and no so for show mayi ye nkwantempon sem so ekọ go mpanimfo na so nti okodu ye no ena penina oda go adwumako na no onumunyamfo Kwame Yosef Prempe kan insuta kwa mamra hyebadwani wode to mpanimfo anim sabota yesi wani so no na kwasi me ne ya mepe ye se wo be ka asem na be ma date se akua me sha obowei eye dwoada anasebnada
be baso
me mpanipo obe ka asem no awie no abisa ansa da ben was in the pipeline
the ana che
ana se
akua bintwa no se o ma date na se otis waka se June o che se wa hu sa de nenye June
and obi when you June September
by June there
and on June 4
eti wasi onwenyan for Kwame Yosef Prempe deputy deputy mpofu deputy the former deputy attorney general no and the managing director ya oda go edumako na no and what dia tudwa says abota ye no mpanifo hwe nim se by September eti ye nyina ye de ani bedi achi na September bosome no yahwe ebise ne se wutie no nsi akase ebo a omanfo ebo asantemantemu bna wobo nipa wo sakra wo nokura de se so ma meye sakra wo no kwan na se du so mo ye se edwo na yie na epipi for mo mu nsi wo
am be block kwan
mama mpani ma na be di achi ma mo obi ama na ehima so be ye na yie ni nyina na ye kwan ya se wo kronum ya wo bebre eti se go for some betumi aboa with the asphalt ye betumi de esa adwuma de a ye bebo wo chidom na adwuma no omatumi ayem eti ne wunya the bonkrata daily guide san sem ni bi kratafa enkron da honomo na daily guide kro na mu ene ya wo time ye na mingu so fresh good so na fiala
Kazi mimu nyese what time na mimu
what time na mimu na mesa fresh good so ka se mimu oh some the dam ka se beat in here because anyum ni say no da kwasi bo beat no che say o mo she da hye ye na agrada so she da chusu ye what time na mimu so fresh good so
mimu so mimu
na ede mimu no na ede uta mi mimu so fresh good so eti kwasi anti fresh say the friend no evangelist they say the only one me ready evangelist na evangelist say ni full name ni nie kwasi say your friend no Patricia Oduro Granting Patricia
me and friend
Oduro
na grada
Granting Vangelis Patricia Oduro Granting asa wuto obedi wa so dem no
akadi body me
asa mu nyina maka Vangelis etoda na nkura ni wo ho ne ntimi mu a so for ne kan bete we dey Vangelis Patricia Oduro Granting Elias Sikagade Elias Nana Grada wase wahye abosom ni nyina na oyimiensa gunchen
enti oyimiensa ne yeden
miensa no wase obi die ndia wanfa nko obenyasem etinro ofiri hwa wahye na no traffic that's otuom junction one more yes watch Sikagale no amanfo aye ward omukọ hesa Grada
Sikagale
na du se omo tonyum na Grada na nkasa oye something else wonim se du se omo to aso nyum na kwasi aso nyum be no wonim to and what so the passion
de to no
what de to no any abaye nyumi abaye Cecilia ba ku kwaje microphone free ne samu
Joyce blessing
nyum no repent Agrada to a
what to pa
say wa repent
wa sakra abosom ne dada na kakra
na enura no chese wo boa ne ho ansa ne wo be ye evangelist no e say so hwenura atade e hye no and what they ase kasoko sade na e omudi gu omuko mu no
ade afaso
Yesu bra Yesu wo bompa ye last one no ade na egu no ko mu no Agrada enya video egu no ko mu
ogofa ne he
ana ni nwanwa ana ni chinwi no wabo ade atua na pampam ana nnura ne wo kyem nwumi ana sane asofo na asa omani bire na kwasi hwemanim na umia wani da Jesus evi na Agrada atra nya gro ojinamu sesi a wo katonso
wow
oti wo abam dada nka atonso no jesa Agrada abekire wo
adabi mbese meti bibia si o eti police for ankofa na anko nsachira
wose ne sachira yemun ne die no ene solo be ye Paul ana ye die hin se so ne be ye Paul no eya akose kwasi
okay
wose womo before ye be chi no no na ni bi kasa kire ne se
onsachira
Patricia wayira Patricia bra no tesa ne no
okay
na no oya so brachie
wayi na so ontie
eti wa ombe fa no no ka che Nyankopon se Awurade ne pese mi hu se wo ho no mo a wo ye mo se mu die ni bi so ma we dane wo wa se me kona me san ba meji wadi se wo ye nyame ne ma bedi wachi
abusia bra Facebook na behwe why behwe sesi emra na
eti Sikagale ahye
wajai utame na fe Bible ene ne Bible no so dia so pa o anti boy nyina na ho ana no koto
wo boa ne ho ansa na wo ade na wo ye no enti na bi mu se plantain no efisa ne Bible kita no ne ntade hyemu
Holy Bible
ye wo ye ne niema nyina ne kire se na boa me ho asie na mapie eti say
but still na say was swantwi
eniema no wom
o kakra de say ne
kakra wom wo ye dan a wontumi nyi ni wo say asama e kan hwe kwasi ye nyina na ye wo ha sei kwasi na ti he me kan na waje ho na ye de
pasa
ade say baby aye din e baby aye din
adenji
enti ase wom
o say
ne say o me microphone ni nyina ye aduma na achi obri ye bo afente friend say microphone si da ni bi stop
obri amase kabia na say
na dia no ye no I need your interaction
I was on Facebook never share Nana Grada
wo de ye dum so
okun paibo
dum so brem
kan ya o kan am so men kan
ala men kan ya kan na kan na
ya o kan so ya du se be
e oni mi bia mi ni mana
special assistant na te ha no eti o hu kwa be fa so abo na nne I'm so happy that he's here
obri
o da me
na sa o ma me preocupe
no
we Peter de ni bia
o ze de osika no
o kan esuafo no
o ze de osika
da bi o kan esuafo no Adam where are you
I'm naked first one kwasi bisa ko ase bibio agukọ abo
o kan esuafo no
o se oni esuafo
o kan chitafo no
yes
oh my my goodness.
I get to
Only any my home filler. That is a
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Bibia bio.
Bibia boko.
Oh nya. Oh, everyone else three. Oh.
Now you can't say myself so you who that is your man.
Me who film say.
I'm by man.
Oh na ho kasa.
Shani o ya ni sa.
Yes.
Yes. Microphone.
Yes, we plan ya the camera scene so.
Organize a press conference.
Camera there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, donkey.
I was your Facebook show when this had there. I got Asagra. Asagra.
I donkey.
And you be and now go hobby.
Oh there be o.
Ba oko fi wa hu abosom no.
Oh bisam say ya me hu.
Ose.
Oh bisam say ya hu.
Now na be set question na you
bisa. But ugo fi wa hu abosom no.
Dia won TV na soro. Dia no mu ko kachire woro.
Oh okay.
No.
And you find a number of TV so now friend ana.
Debi. Minimum no.
Sa.
Da be 11 years ago.
Oh okay.
Oh yeah, donkey.
Oh there's a man nanti ache.
Oh yes, minimum no pa. Say before my station.
Yeah.
That I feel now starting to. Me na me hosting na.
Oh any o ben no.
Oh yes.
O ben no.
Minimum no pa. Minimum.
Hey. Ya me be.
Minimum no papa.
Enti edu ba bi no na sika gari amanfo obo charger na omo hwehwe no. Oh, but say, but see, you won't want to say, video. No, Dani, na chita phone, you know, for yesu. Say, you don't kill a woman.
Yeah, over Facebook, in fact.
We see a woman. Say, woman, you know, what you'll be a Benjamin.
About Club Bible, you know, you have a video to Club Bible, you know, say, Bosom Bakusin anymore.
No, there be.
On now, Castle. Bakusin anymore.
Near now or day corner.
They are not the corner.
Me and Fanya, dear, 80. Wa amamra ni amanie mu no wo se wo sign de ko etinra wo hye we ni wie ye na wo da hwe o ba bia ogina sei
on se ba ko bi gina wani
eti san ba bia ogina ya wotamia na mi wu hyenhyen ni nyina no wo hye fie ho
wo se wotamia na mi wu
okay ono na ne ma mi aje ni nu ma ne ma me so
me nyina chie kwasi abosom no na omo di begu na asusu o asusu wo hwe eniema wo de ahyehye ho we nu ye de kadiko ana we ye den ko jan o de abobobobo ho
na abosom a o hye omo sa no abosom no omo bumfu
sa ni ani gubefu no de ko ye no ni ani gubefu no
abosom na ye honhom
oh okay
honhom de ombe hye mu no ana wa hye no nji obi wa oba be hye
oh okay
sa na sa kwasi wo ko fie ho na hu ne hyenhyen a
enioma sem
abosom dan no
eso
fie ho mo efisa hwe niema pa o mayi abegu ani ho no mo
eso pa
hwe niema o matwe abegu ho no mo ene o man santwerefo breye hwe eja na dem tatatata
mo so ba ko di aso dane wo form ho
so o bi ja tunu mu agada etwe ja
aso dane wo form ho onua
etu chese kwasi owie na ode nwom no to aso eti ese no minim se wo beti asori o so obeye dan yo agrada ye ni
obri betimi akyere obri se obeye dan
oh so odi ka Canada so oye osempakani evangelist so Nico Yesofu
nti obe cancel nti na ne kunu Yesofu no no so ye we
ne kunu Yesofu ogina so dem ya so de ana we ni so tifie so ye akomu adwuma no eti ye se obekọ ka ne kunu no ho so fo ba ne so fo papa enyama mienu
akoka ba ko ho
hey wow
eti ba ko atimi atwe ba ko
enti kunu ya we
so da kesi a o ya sori wo mu
oh okay
enti onu fra so dem ho ana ba busumfie no o chese one ne yere na tie bibia eti nei na chese nyame abamu eti mesre obi amanfo se agrada aka ne de wo se otua ti esrada obi
mi so de kan ti se o se o pa sama ka chire nyame a
enti nam de nam hai kwasi o hu abosom dem ho
ai me ho pa
camera no
go Facebook no me ho pa
wa se da yi full room
yeah
eda kese
bako
ani
pepper dem
we
abosom agum
yeah enu na egumuo no
obenya
enu wa hyehyɛ wo sei dɔso
obi asiri dan so de ma ha ya na de
abosom no omodoso pa o
omo dɔso ni o hye ye no dɔso
we abosom ba bosom we de o juse na fu adwa no
o won sizes kwesi
o bi ani ni mu
bosom na fu adwa
bosom na fu adwa na we o be na be kasa fa ni mu wa hwehwehwe
kwesi wo se
na we go so kra he ne ra ho
ampo
na we body osebe fo o hwe bosom de o hye che no hwe na ni
wo se India de ni bi wo mu
wa ko India
India for de no kwesi wo hu ba ko a India for de ni wo mu
but that way they want time to do. We did that way. Now, hey, baby, Obri, now my people some way they want time to do. Fee, no, Obri way you can find a way. No, Obri, no, Obri way you can find a way. What's it?
Yes, you are saying,
ah, Nanti, ya, Biana, nim say, home, bet them. Oh, show me a new way, wait, chimpanzee, you.
Ebi ase ebi waye
chimpanzee
waye ebi te sa adwe ana ba ko hyeche ba ko hye ha iche ni bi
obri tuntum na what up one no ayan
friend can come here
can
come here
Ejuma no aglada e de eja aglada se na chita for say jonda wansisa can come here ni what so ni can come here
mo be sorry go o dia veze can come
here so what dey sebo
abusia
asem we ntwa to
quickly the sorry so yeah
Daily Dispatch or the same bia ba se asante mantem ya o manya asa ho how kidney problem ya do mo ba dodo na
nkola
dodo na
wow almost survive
say o se nkwara yare ni si o mo asante mantem ne se ko no ana odin na o kire mu a free champion ne du miensa o mu bu nkonta na nkwada makoma aduasanum 35 ana mo ba mu 30
emu 30 ko
mo kidney no nyina
wow
na asai na doctor pania wo no odin se metu dwa kire se obesre o manfo pa se de kidney hu ha na si peja na mu so o mayi mu no de di kan ye hwe de yie de ne hwe ne yie ni o ma ye nonom
anonom no
ya nso ye num nsuo bebre
na say nsuo
na ye nya ho men so
ahomeje ne de hu hia pa o
papa na fe
ye hia ye de areas
bre no so se jana na ba ko so na ba ko
okay
nyesa mo wa bi be foforo akwa ko duru kidney me na ko fa ha no se sentiment mo fidi a dialysis machine no kra na video mo trial so mbenya bi ebi ma nti mo se ye nhwe ye didie ni ye numu yi pa nti
mate
ene ye medical kam ya jao
mate me da se be bre busia Adom Sports page 1 ya de bro aha Adom 106.3 FM just some jumadi e go for quick break ya back Adom Sports page 1